Today, we're putting on the SIGZ from Rogue Rider Industries on the Iron 883. Check them out. So today, we're doing a quick video on the LED front turn signals from Rogue Rider Industries. I originally wasn't going to do a video on them, but when I got them, I was so impressed by the quality, I decided to make a quick video on there. So this is what we got. So from Rogue Rider Industries, we have the SIGZ LED front turn signals, fancy black label special edition. It's pretty cool. Sent a few stickers. So let's open the box up and see what we get. So let's see, we have instructions. Look at that, we even got a little personalized notes. Thank you and ride safe and enjoy. Lana from RRI. It's pretty cool. Little personalized notes. It never hurts. Good customer service. And let's see what we get here. Got even more stickers. Can never go wrong with stickers, right? More instructions. All right, so here, check this out. This is what you get in the package. You get 2 LED turn signals. Let's pull one of these out. And these are nice looking. So the quality on these is really nice. I mean, if you look at the construction, they're put together really well. The blacked out behind the LEDs is nice, so it won't stick out too much when you see it from front. And the connections are pretty nice too. And this is the 1157 version. So it'll have the running lights plus the turn signal. Overall though, I would say the quality is really great for the price. I mean, it's not terribly expensive. You know, at I think it was $80 for the pair, and the presentation's nice too. I also opted to get the smoke dark lenses to go on top. So to get rid of the orange. These look pretty nice too. Good quality. All right, so let's go take these and put them on the bike. All right, so the first thing we need to do is just pop off the lens cover. So we're just gonna stick a screwdriver in here. So you see the difference between the two. It's gonna look a lot nicer than these orange. All right, so let's remove the old bulb here. All right, so we're just gonna put the new one in here. We'll let that hang for a second. Let's go to the other side. Okay. I would say this is probably the trickiest part about the whole thing. So you gotta kind of twist the wire underneath so it lays kind of flat, and then bring in the cover. Just like that. So once you get it to lay flat and you get the cap back on, then they're nice and good. So let's go to the other side. Let's get the other side in. Yeah, easy enough. That might just go down as the second easiest install. I relocated the turn signals from off the bar here to down on the forks. You can see they sit a bit lower now. And now that they're blacked out, looks good. So let's test them out, make sure they work. Yeah, they look pretty good. All right, let's look at the turn signals. And the four-way. Yeah, they're pretty darn bright, so you know that adds to the visibility during the daytime, so it's definitely an upgrade. And that blacked out look is really nice. very understated, and it doesn't draw any attention to itself, taking away that orange. Yep, so the SIGZ, totally worth it. If you're looking to upgrade your turn signals to LEDs, these are a great value for $80. You get a really high quality LED turn signal, plus the lenses, the smoked lenses. They also have like light smoked as well. Or you can keep your ambers if you want, but I kind of like that blacked out look versus this amber look. And it's good company. They shipped real fast. They included a personal note, which I thought was cool. You know, anytime you're ordering from a company that, you know, is actually paying attention and cares about their customers is always good with me. And like I said, it shipped real fast. Look at, they even threw in some stickers. Look at these, sticker, more stickers. Yeah, Rogue Rider. Check them out. I'll post the link below. And yeah, if you like the video, you know, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hey, leave a comment if you like the SIGZ or if you have them on your bike. Tell me what you think of them. And hey, thanks for watching. Peace, YouTube.